Web 3.0, the next big thing in the world of internet. There's not much information available on Web 3.0 on any encyclopedia. In this video, you will first learn about Web 1.0, then Web 2.0, and finally, we will cover some important aspects of Web 3.0. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Web 3.0. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. Web 1.0, the start of everything. When the internet started between 1991 and 2004, the web pages were only static. You could only read data from the websites and couldn't do anything else. You didn't have options to log in, interact with the posts, or do other activities, such as commenting or leaving a review. Most websites weren't even monetized. The companies and corporations who used to own websites only published content to read to the public. This can also mean that Web 1.0 was unidirectional. People had little to no interactions with the flow of data. You could say that Web 1.0 was a big Wikipedia of that type where different hyperlinks were linked together. As time passed, JavaScript and Flash were introduced, because of which there were many key features and improvements added to the internet. Only content curators could edit, publish, and write the data on the internet. Then there came plagiarism. People just started copying other people's content and posting on their websites. The internet became an unreliable source. Universities stopped believing in the content of the internet. The students were rushing to the library even for small information. Web 2.0, the next step towards revolution. Next is Web 2.0, from around 2004 to the present. One of the most significant changes in the interactivity of the internet. This meant that not only were we getting information from the site, but the site was starting to get information from us. Web 2.0 is the time of the designated promotion and the absence of protection for clients. It alludes to the second era of internet providers, which empowers clients to communicate with content on the web. Web 2.0 encouraged the development of client-produced content flows by interoperability and ease of use for end clients. The second age web doesn't zero in on altering any specialized particulars. Web 2.0 facilitates collaboration and interaction between users in P2P transactions, setting the stage for e-commerce and social media platforms. Apart from the beneficial effects of interoperability, interactivity, and ease of use, Web 2.0 also promoted interoperability between different services. Another essential highlight about Web 2.0 in the difference between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 is web browser technology. Ajax and JavaScript have evolved into powerful tools for building Web 2.0 websites. Web 3.0, the new age. Web 3.0 is the next evolution of the internet, potentially leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized tools. Web 3.0 is about a more transparent and fair network that anyone can join without fear of losing privacy and security. The transition from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 is evident with the evolution of the technology surrounding us. With technologies such as artificial intelligence and big data, it's easier than ever to deliver a personalized web experience. Web apps are also more intuitive and more accessible for people to use in their daily lives. According to experts, in Web 3.0, all businesses reach the internal point managed by a decentralized group called a DAO, which stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. DAO means that there are no CEOs or presidents to impress. Only shareholders and those who decide who to hire to work for the company own the tokens. Those with the most tokens can vote on how the company will change, regardless of government or family traditions. This means no censorship on social networks like Facebook and Twitter. One of the most significant benefits of Web 3.0 is that your digital ID is not 100% connected to your real ID. This means that I can view pages, download, buy, and perform all other activities on the internet without having to trace who I am. There are many ways to be anonymous online. So these may be long-term ideas from anyone thinking about Web 3.0, but in the reality of the last decade, Web 3.0 will either buy an Amazon gift card at MetaMask and pay with Ethereum or be anonymous. A set of ideas could grow together until centralized companies like Facebook and Google are dismantled by lawmakers and decentralized and unregulated DAOs grow to replace them. Conclusion. The third generation of the web will play an essential role in blockchain technology. As blockchain came into sight, conventional enterprises were transformed with their new traits. However, the most significant trait of Web 3.0 was decentralization. The new features, such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, will play a vital role in Web 3.0.